Mahjong from Her Haven. Here's one way I preserve my lemongrass away. Wash it thoroughly and chop them up into 5 to 8 inches and just freeze them away. Or you could chop them up really fine like this. You can dry them up this way for use later for tea or cooking, or bake them into very dry and pound it down to powder for use later. This year I'm going to use this method. I am using the personal mixed drain blender to grind it down to be very fine. Hiong no kushilu nyono le ju ko momo ku jong o la no le shi mo lu o ko zo no ha chu lu langa ji no thao ko yo jinga. Once it is grind down like this to be very fine, you could freeze them away. It can be thought to use for many cooking dish.